The mid-range smartphone market in India is going strong, and Samsung has introduced their Galaxy J6 to the mid-range smartphone market. Is it worth the money? Let's check it out in today's video. Hey guys, this is SB World with my first unboxing video. So today we have the Samsung Galaxy J6 with us with the new infinity display, and right here is the 4GB RAM 64GB variant that I have with me. And so right now when we unbox, we get to see the phone itself. It has a sleek design from my first look. Now let's keep the phone aside and check what else is inside. I have actually unboxed this, and I'm re-unboxing it, so I have just arranged in tangled manner. So here is the USB cable, and it looks like a micro USB cable. Yes, it is. Now let's keep it aside and check what else is inside. And here's a quick start guide. Don't think we can throw it away. And we got some earphones. It's not very usual in the mid-range smartphones these days. It's a good thing that Samsung included one. And now let's look at the power brick and check if it is a smart fast charger. Well, no, it is not a fast charger, it is a normal charger. Anyways, let's keep it aside. And if you look at the back of the cover, we can see its features. And as I have said before, it has that beautiful infinity display and 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front fingerprint sensor, and it has the Samsung OLED display, and Samsung is a good company that makes good displays, and 4GB RAM, 64GB memory, Exynos processor, 3000 mAh battery, and facial recognition. Good specs over there. And so let's keep everything aside and we'll look at the phone itself. So let's power it on. Yeah, just look at the display. And if you look at the back of the phone, you can see the just one camera, dual camera setup over here. And then you can see the flash and a fingerprint sensor. That's all at the back. And having a physical overview of the full phone, we have a just one camera in the front. That is pretty basic. And if you look at the sides, we have two SIM card slots. We had a full volume power up down, and there's nothing at the top of the phone. And if you look at the other side, we have the power on and off button, and we got some speakers. That's not something you find, speakers on the side, so good job there. And if you look at the bottom of the phone, we got the headphone jack. Yes, we got one. And we have a USB port for charging. And so that is it with the physical overview, and now let's take a look at the software. So coming to the software department of this phone, let's unlock it, and it looks like Android Oreo to me, but anyways, let's check it out. So we go to settings, about phone, and we go to software, and yeah, it is indeed Oreo. The phone says to have 64GB of storage, but anyways, let's just check it out. And we go to device maintenance, and out of that 64GB, we get roughly about 50GB of storage. Let's go back. And as you can see, there are many other features that Samsung provides in this phone. which you can't find in other phones. And one of them is split screen. So you choose one app and you choose another, and you can use both of them at the same time, and you can adjust the bar in the middle. You can scroll it up or down, and you can use two apps at the same time. So this is a really useful feature by Samsung. Now let's have a quick check at the speed of the fingerprint scanner. It should be a fast scan, and yeah, it is kind of fast, and not the fastest, but yeah, it is fast. Now let's test the face unlocking feature. Yes, it's fast. Second time. Yes, that's really fast. Third time. That's fast. The fourth and final time. Now that's fast. Now let's check the camera of this device. And now that's great shutter speed on this device. And here are some sample shots taken in the J6. The ones with the dual camera. So this is a preview of the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy J7. So as you can hear, it's raining outside. I think I've said it before in that video. Yeah, anyways, I have to say they have done a good job with the front camera also, and right now I'm getting pretty good stabilization with the video. Now let's have a walk. And I have to say it is pretty stabilized, and looking at the AR features from Samsung that they have provided, it is a very good phone. And I think you can hear my voice. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel videos, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends. And now, this is Saran Bajesh signing off.